quick video how I'll light this up. Right, start here. Single DIN Audi A4B6. Jumble of wires and the USB and aux coming out the radio. Kind of go down here and return underneath here and poke out kind of underneath the cigarette. Yeah, there where this grey wire comes from. Underneath this cigarette ashtray. And then pokes out through here for easy access. And just an FYI to ground it steady. It comes on with ignition. I did this thing where I connected it to a fuse, which is gracefully done. This is a green wire going to a ground, and this is the ignition switch wire, the silver one, which goes into the mirror switch. It's like reversing lights, gear, lever gate, electric mirror, number 31 on here, and that yeah, lets you turn it on and off with ignition. So there you go.